Welcome back to And This Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add business location on Instagram. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Instagram, click the sign up option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a business location on Instagram can offer several benefits because when users search for businesses nearby, having your location tag can increase the chances of your business appearing on local searches. Of course, people often engage more with businesses that have a location tag because it provides a sense of trust and legitimacy. They know where you are and of course, can easily visit or contact you if interested. Now, there are two ways for you to be able to add your business location on Instagram. One is using the web version, so hover to Instagram.com. And the second method is using your mobile device when you open the Instagram app. But we're going to explore both options. But for now, once you are here on the website, I need you to click on the three horizontal lines or the hamburger menu. And I need you to click on the settings. And once you are here, I need you to click to the For Professionals section. Click the Business Tools and Controls. And from here, I need you to switch to Creator Account. Alright? Click on it because that's simply creating a business account. Alright? And if you want to switch to business account, all you're going to do is click this switch option here. Alright? And provide as much as details as you can. Alright? Now, what will happen is, now the next option that we're going to do is on the mobile device. So I'm going to switch over to that. Now, once you are on your mobile device and you open the Instagram app, I need you to hover to the horizontal lines or the hamburger menu again. And I need you to click on the settings and privacy. Now, I need you to click again to the For Professionals option. Click the Business Tools. Now from here, click on the Add New Professional Account. Just click on Continue. Just follow the on-screen instructions. And for example, I'm going to be using Digital Creator. Click on that. And I need you to put your number. For example, this one. Click on Next. Put in your information right here. Okay, once you are here, click the business option. Wait for it a little bit. And of course, this is going to be your business profile, right? Click on next. You can skip that. And you can also add your address somewhat here. And from there, when you see the address, of course, you would be able to add your business location because obviously your address is going to be your location. Now, if in case you encounter any problem along the way, you might want to switch over to the Help Center. And from here, you need to report a problem. Okay. Now, from there, tell them you're having a problem about adding a business location on your account here on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.